What is up everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Toyota key fob battery. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom of the key, and there is this latch over here that we're going to slide to the left that releases the mechanical key. Then we're going to take the key and then separate it like so. And then this is the electronic part. We're going to take it out, and then this is the battery right here. As you can see, this key fob takes a CR2032 3-volt battery, so we're going to replace it with the same exact battery right here. Next, let's take out the new battery. Now, let's install the battery the same exact way we took it out, with the Panasonic logo pointing up. I'm going to slide in, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of force, and the battery clicks right in. As you can see, when I press this button, the red light lights on, so that means it's working. We're going to slide this into the key fob housing, like that. And then we're going to grab the top part of the key, and then put these together, and then we apply a little bit of force, and they click together. And last, we're going to install this mechanical key back on, and all you have to do is slide it in, and we're done. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!